of 37 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunrise tomorrow morning, 5:40 a.m.
Ayun, may speed po to.
Well, it's day 5 and sadly our final day of our Antarctica experience.
Ayan guys, Antarctica. Yun po, mga bahay po yun ng ano,
Hope you enjoyed your last day.
mga scientist.
Early birds will
Ay, may speedboat guys.
killer whales. Around 9:30
Ayan o,
this
may barko
morning,
dito guys o.
2,200 postcards all around the world before making our
Coast
way
Guard
to
yan,
one
guys.
of the most spectacular views in this area in the Mare Channel. It's on
Yun,
bridge
mga
to the
bahay ng
Navy
scientist
drone
dito sa Antarctica.
and it took us further than we anticipated with an altitude of 65 degrees and 6 minutes south. Soon we will make our way to Drake Passage, which will take us to the infamous Cape Horn. During the evening and morning, we will encounter 30 knots westerly winds and waves up to 3 meters or 9
Saan
feet.
papunta yan?
So all in all, good conditions for the crossing. However, when you are opening and closing doors, please be careful of your fingers. And when walking on staircases, have one hand for the ship and one hand for the
Scientist yun.
cockpit. Ladies and gentlemen,
Penguin guys. Ayan o, lumalangoy sila. Yan, penguin yan. Yan, malayo lang. Guys, last day po namin ngayon sa Antarctica. Yan, pumasok kami dyan. Yan guys, sa Antarctica. Antarctica pa rin kami guys.
of 37 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunrise tomorrow morning, 5:40 a.m.
Ayun, may speed po to.
Well, it's day 5.